So today we will be doing a very fun activity for maths. Okay, we all know our numbers. Yes, and today we will do some counting. And how we will be doing? First, we will take the paper plate. I have already made it. You will make it into 6 pieces. Okay, how do you make it into 6 pieces? You will draw a line from the middle of the plate. You will just measure it half the plate. So you will draw a line and one this side and one this side. So you will get 6 pieces in one plate. Okay, so you can make this. Just you have to draw a line from the center, then cut it from here and cut it from here, and you will get 6 pieces. Yes, very nice. So once your pieces are done, we will start cutting these pieces. So we will take out 6 pieces from this plate. Okay, so I have taken out all the 6 pieces. Now the next step is we will take a marker, okay, and we will number this pieces. So we will write 1 to 6 in these pieces. We will write it at the bottom of the piece. So over here we will write the numbers. So you can just number your pieces into 1 to 6. Okay, if you have numbered your pieces, now the next step is we will take our Fevicol and the red circles which you had already cut it down. So now we will stick the red circles according to the numbers written in the slices. Okay, if it is 1, we will stick only 1 red circle. If it is 2, we will stick 2 red circles. Okay, so I will request the parents to kindly let the child do this since it is their part of work now. So they will stick the circles according to the numbers given in the slices.
Ma'am, how to stick it? Straight or vertically?
You
or
can stick it anywhere. It doesn't have any pattern. Let them stick any way they want.
Okay, ma'am. No.
Just make sure that they don't cover up the number because it has to be shown like what number it is.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, stick karo. এখানে stick karo. করো দাও দে चलो स्टिक करो एखाने स्टिक करो ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर
Okay, so this activity is basically done to increase the child's knowledge of counting by a way of doing a simple craft activity. So this is basically done for their counting work so that they learn how to count by seeing the number with the pieces.
করো এটা এখানে করো স্টিক করো মিঠি না স্টিক করো এখানে স্টিক করো এটা কি নাম্বার আছে 4 হ্যাঁ 4 করো সব ফেলে দিয়েছো
Okay, very good, everyone. Okay, so this is, so ma'am has completed it. So can you tell me what are we exactly making by these slices? We have made a slice of pizza. Yes, everyone likes pizza. Yes, so this is a fun activity to make pizza by a way of counting. Okay, so if it's done, we will go with the next one. Very good, Shrinika. Very nice. Lovely. Okay, Anaya, Gyanvi done. Okay, so the last part will be, we will take that half white paper. We will draw a big circle in this and we will cut the circle out. So we are just making the base of the pizza so that we can just stick the pizza slices and make it a whole one. So we will just make a circle and we will just cut the circle. Okay, so this is the thing. So now in this circle, we will be putting the slices. So we will just cover the slices. So I'll just show you. It will be like this. So we will just cover the slices like this and we will join it together. We will apply glue at the tip of the pieces and we will start joining the pieces back. Okay, so this is how you're going to join the pieces.
Ma'am, you have to join, we have to stick like this.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so it's done. We have joined our pizzas. Okay, so this is a very easy activity like all parents can do with their children. This is the basic thing which we do for counting since the children, they have just started learning how to count. So this will actually engage them into counting by a way of making something out of it. So you can just try it out with different numbers so that they get engaged of what they are doing. Okay, very nice.